So as in the previous video I told you guys about the system I had, and I also told you about the first part that I was gonna upgrade, and I also told you that as a PC enthusiast I'm not happy and I was gonna do something custom to it. So I turned this into something this. So starting with the video, let me tell about how I did it. I ripped out every part of the cabinet, I opened it and I painted it white because white is one of my favorite colors, and I painted some of the parts blue to add some blue accent to it because my logo is also blue. So as you can guys see that I painted the side ventilation fins blue, and I also painted some other stuff like the SSD bracket and the dust filter of the cabinet blue to give it some blue accent. So the build is white with the blue accent. So the second part in my upgradation were these RGB fans from Coolmon. So for the good ventilation of the system, I bought 6 fans of this Coolmon, and with the RGB controller with the motherboard sync. I bought it from Banggood, but they did a bit of a mistake. They sent me the simple controller which will not sync with the motherboard. So I contacted them and they told that they will refund, but refund will not solve my case. So I decided to take the refund, and I ordered the controller with the motherboard sync from a different website, so it will arrive soon. In this build right now, I'm gonna use the normal controller because it will take around 2 months to get here from China, because these things come from China. But these fans are too good. I have seen reviews of these fans. They match the quality of the some good companies like Cooler Master itself and some other companies which make fans like Antec. They are not cheap fans, they are very good. They are just from China, but that doesn't mean they are bad. And these fans are full RGB, which will add some magic to my system. So let's attach fan to the cabinet. So I've attached 3 fans in the front of the cabinet for the intake of airflow, 1 fan at the rear of the cabinet for exhaust, and the remaining 2 fans will go right up here, but I will not attach them right now because there is a surprise coming for you guys. Let's move forward. It will be nice if you keep cable management in mind from beginning of the build, because it will create less hassle and it will be easy to cable manage your system. Cable managing your PC is important because it will keep your PC clean. It will add to aesthetics of your PC. It will look good and clean, and everything at the place. No wires hanging around here and there, no hassle. So this is the console of the cabinet with button, USB ports and everything. I took it out to paint the cabinet. Now we are joining every part of the cabinet back together to make it complete. Time for attaching the front panel of the cabinet. I have fixed all button and everything, and front panel fits so good, everything in place. Cabinet is finally coming to complete. And this is the dust filter which I painted blue, and it is magnetic, which will go on the top of the cabinet. It is magnetic, so you can easily remove it from the cabinet and clean off the dust of the dust filter. There is also a dust filter in the bottom of the case, which is for power supply. It will not allow the dust to go into the power supply and increase the lifespan of the components inside the cabinet. I also thought of installing the extra fan on piezo shroud for the GPU, as GPU will fix here, and for the extra airflow I thought of some jugaad to fix it, but there is no way of installing this fan. So our cabinet is almost complete, and that's it. That's all of it for this video, and the final build will be in the next video, which will be the bangiest of all 3 videos. There are so many surprises for you in the next video. There will be some awesome things in the next video, so stay tuned. Peace out.